Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a calendar time zone override on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Calendar. Then tap on Time Zone Override. And at the top, tap on the switch to turn it on. Then tap on time zone, and in here, type in the city that you would like to use. So for example, if I choose San Jose, and from now on, my calendar will use the San Jose city as a preferred time zone. So that the time zone override always shows event dates and times in the selected time zone. When off, events will display according to the time zone of your current location. And that's it. If you no longer need to use the time zone override, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.